Done for you 100 Christmas recipes. This is my review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is massive, folks, so if you are interested, click the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. Grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high-value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. Bonus number 3, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. In a nutshell, you can get exclusive instant access to high-quality, done-for-you 100 Christmas recipes with 100% full unrestricted use to use, rebrand, resell, and profit effortlessly. Now, here are things you should know. You can use the ebook guide for your projects. You can rebrand the ebook and make it your own. You can sell it as it is and pocket 100% of the profits. You can be the author of the book, and you can get 2 additional bonuses with this purchase. A sample of the recipes include Christmas pineapple cheese ball, vegetable Christmas tree, Christmas cheese spread, Christmas pickles, holiday dip, Christmas punch, holiday broccoli dip, Christmas fruit punch, Christmas raspberry rice ring mold, and many more. Now the sales funnel looks like this. You get the whole front end, 100 recipes for $15. And the OTO1 is a done-for-you Christmas decoration, and OTO2 is done for you 100 tips for a stress-free Christmas. Now, watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you'll get less product. If you want to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. And my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic weekly. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily, and they'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Thanks for watching, folks. See you next time.